Hi guys! Hello everybody! Shrimp. Shrimp. That's my introduction. Shrimp. I chopped a lot of garlic, onion, red onion, and the green onion. And now I'm chopping the shrimp. I marinated this shrimp overnight. So I'm going to cut it really small. I'm creating something musky pops. Should know that by now, guys. What is musky pops? For my new viewers, the one that don't know what is musky pops, it's a shortcut for the word musky papano. In English, whatever it is. Whatever it is that comes to my mind, what I create when I'm hungry. So I cleaned this yesterday, deveined it, and then marinate it with just salt, pepper, and garlic powder. And I wanted to make it like really fine, so I'm going to change my knife with this knife. That's water, guys. That's water that I needed for my dish. Are you guessing yet what I'm making? And I have ground pork. And then we're just going to mix all of this. Look at all that garlic, because I want to be garlicky flavor. Welcome to my channel, guys. So with this, I am going to put chicken powder, little bit of salt, onion powder, and more garlic powder. I'm running out of pepper on this, so we'll just go ahead and use all of this because my electric ground pepper dispenser is still not good. I forget to plug it in. So we'll just use all of it so I can throw the container, because I don't think you can fill this. But it looks like there's a lot more. Don't waste the thing. And then oyster sauce. A little bit of oyster sauce. And a little bit of sesame oil. We'll mix all together. Make sure it's mixed really well. I'll set it aside. And I have my pan here. I'm just going to let me get paper towel. Just going to put a little bit of sesame oil on our pan. So I guess you guys doesn't know yet what I'm making. I still didn't say what I'm making. Surprise! But you can tell this is a steamer. So now I have this glass chopping board. And ta-da! This is what I'm going to do. That's why we have that water. I'm going to put some water on our rice wrapper. And then we're going to put some of our shrimp and pork mixture. I think that's too much. Then we'll wrap it. Close the side. Charon! I'm going to make some sauce for it. So the trick for this, guys, don't soak it for a long time, because when you soak it for a long time, it's gonna get really soft when you're starting to do this, and then it's really hard to roll when it gets really soft and sticky. Because it gets soft after a while. See, it's really soft. This first and the second one, it's really soft now. So for the ones who doesn't know, guys, this is rice paper, and you can buy this from any Oriental store. If you don't have Oriental store in your area and you wanna make this, I think you can buy it online. Hey, Amazon sells everything now. So I'm just gonna finish rolling our what do you call this? Cannot call it spring roll, but meat roll. Meat roll using rice paper. Now I'm going to steam our roll. I don't know what you call it, but we'll find, or we'll think of a name later. We're going to steam it for 30 minutes. And while we are waiting for that to cook, guys, I'm going to make some sauce. Soy sauce. Five teaspoons fish sauce, 2 teaspoons sesame oil, 1 teaspoon hot crispy garlic oil, 1 teaspoon sweet vinegar, 3 teaspoons sesame seeds, little bit of brown sugar, less than a teaspoon. Wow, the thing smells so good. The one we're cooking or steaming. So what should I call that, guys? I don't think that's called spring rolls. Then a little bit of the green onion. And that's our sauce. And it is done. Can't wait to try some. Then next we're going to pour some of our sauce. Then the rest of the green onions. Here it is, guys. Hopefully it's not salty. So let us try some. I think next time I'll make this, I will make I'll use 2 wrappers. Because I want the wrapper to be thick. Hopefully it's not very hot. Show you guys. Look how delicious it looks. All cooked inside. Actually, I only steam it for 25 minutes. So it's really yummy. I can taste both of the ground pork and the ground shrimp, and I can taste all the garlic. I think I like the sauce a little sweeter though. I want to try the sweet chili sauce too. I want to put a little bit of the sweet chili sauce. Try with the sweet chili sauce. The sweet chili sauce is also good. It's savory, it's garlicky. That's the video for today, guys. And I'm going to finish this last piece, and I'm going to give this 3 pieces for Chris for his lunch because he's waiting. So, guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you're new to this channel, welcome to Win's Life. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you again next time on our I will see you again next time. I will see you guys next time. I will see you all on our next video. Bye for now.